Did you know that your skin is the largest organ you have? So you need to take care of it. Glowing skin is often considered a sign of health and vitality. On the other hand, dull or dry skin can make you feel worse. Here are 10 products and lifestyle changes you can make as part of your beauty and skincare routine. 1. Soothe skin with virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and wound healing properties. But using coconut oil on your face may not be suitable for all skin types. Do not use if you have a coconut allergy. If you can apply it without irritation, it can be used in many ways. You can use coconut oil to take off makeup, soothe your skin barrier, promote dewy-looking skin that's healthy below the surface layer. Research shows that coconut oil is a good moisturizer. Try massaging a small amount of coconut oil onto your face. Leave on for a few minutes before rinsing with your usual cleanser. 2. Use aloe vera to keep skin strong and healthy. Aloe vera has healing properties and can stimulate the growth of new cells. It also soothes and hydrates without clogging pores. Using aloe vera after washing your face daily can give your skin a healthy glow. May be allergic to aloe vera. Test it first by rubbing a small amount on your forearm, and if there is no reaction within 24 hours, then you can safely use it. 3. Moisturize properly after washing your face. Hydrate your skin with products that lock in moisture, promote healing, and have antioxidant properties for a bright, youthful appearance. Don't exfoliate when your skin is dry or skip your moisturizer just because your face is oily. Apply moisturizer while your skin is still damp after showering or washing your face. This will help lock in extra moisture instead of working at the surface level to make your face smooth. 4. Wear sunscreen daily. Applying sunscreen with an SPF of 15 or higher can prevent skin cancer. Keeping your skin safe from harmful UV rays also protects against skin aging. Remember to apply a product with sunscreen every morning, even on rainy or overcast days. 5. Find a cleansing routine that works. You don't want to hydrate your skin by washing too often, and you don't want your pores to produce too much oil to compensate for overwashing. Washing your face after sweating, first thing in the morning and right before bed, is often the best way to have healthy skin. 6. Avoid smoke and secondhand smoke. When you expose your skin to cigarette smoke, you coat your face with all kinds of toxic chemicals. This increases oxidative stress in your skin cells, leading to premature skin aging. If you smoke, use your skin as another reason to quit. 7. Drink more water. Your skin is made up of cells that need water to function properly. The link between drinking water and having healthy skin continues, but at least one study has concluded that there is a strong link between drinking more water and having healthier skin. Try to drink at least 8-ounce glasses of water at a time. 8. Eat to nourish your skin. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables will increase the vitamins and antioxidants in your body. According to research, eating healthy fats, like fish oil, and avoiding processed foods high in preservatives may be directly linked to healthier-looking skin. 9. Take probiotics. Probiotic supplements can boost your immune system, improve your digestion, reduce bloating and inflammation in your digestive tract. According to one study, probiotics may also contribute to healthy hair and visibly glowing skin. 10. Shorten your shower. Steam and heat can open your pores and help you flush out toxins. However, splashing hot water on the skin for more than a few minutes at a time can strip the skin of its oils, leaving it looking tired and dull. Try to limit skin contact with water that is too hot. You may also consider cooling the temperature in the back of the shower to improve blood circulation, which can make your face look firmer and more youthful. As an added benefit, it can even boost your immune. Apply this 10 remedies to yourself and see the difference to have a healthy, younger looking skin. Thanks for watching.